Welcome to this video on the power of belief and the law of attraction. In this video, we'll be exploring how your beliefs can influence your reality and how you can use the law of attraction to manifest your desires. Beliefs are the thoughts and convictions that we hold to be true. Our beliefs shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and they influence how we perceive and interact with the world around us. The law of attraction, on the other hand, is the idea that we attract into our lives whatever we focus our attention on. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. This means that whatever you think about, feel, or focus your attention on, you will attract more of into your life. If you focus on negative thoughts and beliefs, you'll attract negative experiences, and if you focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you'll attract positive experiences. So, how can you use the law of attraction to manifest your desires? The first step is to identify what you want. This could be anything from a new job, a romantic relationship, better health, or financial abundance. Once you've identified your desires, the next step is to believe that you can achieve them. Your beliefs create your reality. If you believe that you're unworthy of love, success, or happiness, you'll attract experiences that reflect that belief. However, if you believe that you're deserving and capable of achieving your desires, you'll attract experiences that reflect that belief. The law of attraction is not about wishful thinking or magical manifestation. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. This means taking inspired action towards your goals and cultivating a positive mindset. In conclusion, the power of belief and the law of attraction are powerful tools for creating the life you want. Your beliefs shape your reality, and the law of attraction helps you to attract experiences that align with your desires. By identifying your desires, cultivating a positive mindset, and taking inspired action, you can manifest your dreams and live the life you've always wanted. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.